morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Potential Briefing for this Wednesday, September 23rd. We have no significant impacts to speak of at the moment. We do have some isolated thunderstorms possible over southern Utah. Otherwise, no significant issues. Past 24 hours, precipitation, most of it, again, was across Arizona and New Mexico. Did have some significant shower activity across far southern and especially southwestern Utah, where some localized heavier downpours occurred. And on the right-hand side of the screen, we do notice that there was a little bit of lightning as well, but that was wet lightning. Some isolated, drier strikes with some rain, but lighter across southern Nevada. Latest water vapor satellite imagery. We have high pressure building in across Mexico into Texas, low pressure off the British Columbia coast. So we are sort of in between systems, but more under the influence of high pressure. So we'll notice lighter winds and a bit more stagnation today and actually into the next several days. Our large-scale fire potential basically greened out across most of Idaho and Utah and southern Nevada, but across central and western portions of Nevada, our large fire potential still is quite significant in the brown. For today, relative humidity-wise, we have humidity levels down near 10% in our most critically dry fuel areas, which is western Nevada. Otherwise, more in the anywhere from about 15 to 25% across most other areas. On the right-hand side, winds fairly light out of the west-southwest during the afternoon hours. Again, under the influence of high pressure, we're not expecting much in the way of strong winds at the moment. On the weather map, we have that high pressure ridge on the left that's gradually building in from Mexico up into the Great Basin. And this is for tomorrow's map. We notice more dryness on our map here across portions of Nevada. Now for Thursday, humidity-wise, again around 10% in our driest areas across parts of western Nevada. Otherwise a bit higher everywhere else. Winds light from the south or southwest. High pressure continues to dominate on the left-hand panel. That's for Friday. Our significant fire potential, again, Utah and Idaho are greened out, as well as most of our Wyoming area. However, again, western Nevada remains the focus into California. Similar story on the humidity, quite dry, wind speeds quite light on Friday. And then on Saturday, high pressure still in control for the most part. The models are having a tough time going beyond 3 days, 4 days on this solution, so we'll take it with a grain of salt. We may not see as much troughing of low pressure further to the west like we were thinking, and moisture may be more limited. Looking at our significant fire potential, notice a change. Notice that a lot of PSAs in Utah will dry out into the yellow, moderately dry category. And they stay that way into Sunday as well, with high pressure still in control, large-scale light southwest winds. On Monday, very little change to the overall weather pattern. As we go into Tuesday, there is a low pressure trough that this model has pushing into the Pacific Northwest. However, other computer models are much weaker with that solution, so kind of an unknown at this point. The one thing we do know is that our most critically dry areas, ERC-wise, are across western portions of Nevada, where you see those ERC stations in the yellow, which means anywhere from the 50th to near the 70th percentile. Otherwise, areas in the green are quite benign and moist, probably out for the season in most areas. Our long-range 8 to 14-day outlook, temperatures on the right. The warmest temperatures focus across the eastern half of the country, but will be slightly above normal temperature-wise, and along with near normal precipitation for our week 2 period. And this concludes our briefing. Have a safe day.